Hi, I'm reporter Becca Shittown, and I'm reporting for Channel 8 News. And has this ever happened to you? And you just want to say, darn it all? Oh, great! The gate's locked! Shit! There's lots of options to deal with the problem of not being able to get into a playground. So here's option 1. Yes!
Like a gymnast.
That damn girl is breaking in that playground.
Yes! And you just want to say, darn it all. Option 2.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to option 2 because there were supposed to be 3 options. I think the second one was supposed to be like, I think it was supposed to be like me pretending to like pick a lock. I don't know. We're just trying to do, y'all. We're starting a new YouTube account, and so I'm trying to promote it. But we just get out there. My thing is I just like to turn on the camera and just fucking do some random shit. But he's like, no, I like to plan it out a little bit. So why don't we, you know, do something random? And I was like, okay. The whole point of comedy is, you know, you have like the layer. Like I'm acting like it's serious. Like I don't even know if it was like a news show. Oh, and I love how I'm like a newscaster at the beginning. Rebecca Shittown, and then I'm also like the person in it. But we just thought it would be funny because like we went into an apartment, like a pool in an apartment where you're not supposed to go unless you know what I mean, unless you have the code to the apartments and you live there. But I said, oh, you know, my husband forgot to give me the key, or I made some shit up. But I was like, what if we make it sound like, you know, like How to Rob a Bank? What if we make it sound like that? But it's something ridiculous like how to break into a playground. But we just kept drinking beer, and I guess we forgot about options 2 and 3. So anyway, we're just being goofy. We got a lot of great other ideas, but here's like the behind the scenes or whatever of how to break into a fucking playground.
What if you just like
Just record us talking because this is confusing as shit.
I already am one step ahead of you, baby. Okay, no, what if hi, here's my expert photographer,
Director.
Camera,
For this video.
yeah, DP, he's the director of photography.
He's something totally different.
Dirty terms, okay? So look, I just broke into the playground, so I just thought you could be like, that dumb girl just broke into that fucking playground.
that dumb girl broke into the fucking playground.
Yeah, just say it loud and clear.
That was loud and clear.
No, it's only because the program I have to be able to put music. Just say it as loud as you can.
Put music over this?
You can. Oh yeah. Just say it loud, and I'm gonna shoot now.
My thing is, I think you should put music just over the parts where it's breaking in.
Okay.
The other parts
Let's just shoot it and see what happens. Okay. Homeless man, it happened. I broke into the playground. This is so stupid.